Welcome back to my channel. I'm Elsie, and in this video let's break down this quiz code line by line, which I have posted on my Instagram channel as quiz 183. If you wanted to check other quiz programs, please do check out my YouTube shorts where I also posted step-by-step explanation. So let's get started. First, guess the output of this code. Now, let's break down this code line by line. String object S is initialized with string 6. Now, let's calculate this. 1 is an integer and 10 as well. This is an integer addition. 1 is 11, which is also an integer. Then 11 plus 6. 6 is a string. Here, remember 2 points. In Java, evaluating expressions is done from left to right. And second point is, during concatenation, integers are converted to strings in Java. So, integer 11 is internally converted to a string and then concatenates with string 6. String 11 plus string 6 is 116, which is also a string. Then 116 is a string and 1 is an integer, which will be converted to string before concatenation. So, string 116 plus string 1 results in 1161. Then 1161 is a string and 10 is an integer, which will be converted to string and then concatenation is performed. String 1161 plus string 10 results in 116110, and this is the output which will be printed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such content.